The name of our workshop is Temperament-Based Therapy with Supports, which we call TBT-S. And I will be presenting alongside Dr. Christina Warenga and Dr. Laura Hill, and the three of us are the principal developers of this treatment.
One of the primary philosophies is that eating disorder symptoms are a result of the brain's control over behavior. We can target those mechanisms, those biological mechanisms, more effectively than we can be successful in reducing the symptoms and the behavioral expression that we see in eating disorders.
We really want people to think about these biological tendencies as strengths that they can use in productive ways in their lives. And we're teaching them to do that in treatment. People with anorexia, which is the focus of TBT-S, often are known to be high disciplined, really achievement oriented, sometimes perfectionistic. And these are traits that we know end up predicting success in life. And they're also biologically based traits. So what we're doing, as opposed to trying to get people to be more flexible necessarily or be less perfectionistic, is we're teaching them ways to, instead of channeling these things through their eating disorder, to channel them in more productive areas of their life. One of the main philosophies is that we're experts in eating disorders, and we bring a lot to the table in helping people understand the underlying biological basis of the illness. But we also understand that the other experts in eating disorders are those who suffer from them and the family members who walk alongside them.
I think that anybody that is working closely with somebody that has an eating disorder would benefit from this training. The goal of this training is really to provide skills and tools that clinicians and supports can bring back. We hope that this training will also help attendees feel really competent in how to include supports in their treatment planning.
It doesn't have to be a family member, it doesn't have to be a parent, it can be a spouse, it can be a trusted friend. We invite clinicians to attend alongside supports so that in addition to learning from us, people get that rich experience of being able to see what it's like to work with supports.
I am very excited about this workshop. We've had a great response from our patients, clients, and their supports who participated. So I'm very excited about getting the information out there. This meets a need. The opportunity to do this training within the infrastructure of the UCSD conference, I think, is a great opportunity to get the word out there.